A new DJI RC controller has been leaked, and it's generating a lot of buzz in the drone community. This controller is believed to be designed for the upcoming DJI Mavic 4 drone, and it comes with some exciting upgrades. The leaked details suggest improved ergonomics, better connectivity, and a brighter screen compared to previous models, making it a significant step forward for DJI's remote control technology. These enhancements are expected to provide a more user-friendly experience, especially for those who rely on their drones for professional photography, videography, or recreational flying. One of the standout features of this new controller is its wide compatibility. It's expected to work seamlessly with multiple DJI drones, including the highly anticipated DJI Mavic 4 and possibly other models in the Mavic series. This versatility makes it a valuable accessory for drone enthusiasts who own or plan to own multiple DJI devices. For example, if you already have a Mavic 3 or another compatible drone, this controller could serve as a universal remote, reducing the need to switch between different controllers. Speaking of the DJI Mavic 4, the leak has also sparked speculation about its release. While details are still scarce, it's rumored to feature upgrades over the popular Mavic 3, potentially offering better performance, improved camera capabilities, and enhanced flight stability. The Mavic 4, paired with this new controller, could set a new standard for professional-grade drones. Some of the rumored upgrades include a larger sensor for better low-light performance, improved obstacle avoidance, and longer battery life, making it an even more attractive option for both professional filmmakers and hobbyists. As for the release timeline, industry insiders suggest that the DJI Mavic 4 and its accompanying controller could hit the market in April 2025. This aligns with DJI's pattern of releasing updated versions of their flagship drone models every few years. The timing also positions the Mavic 4 as a strong competitor in the high-end drone market, offering cutting-edge technology for those who demand the best in aerial imaging and performance. Overall, these new products are expected to strengthen DJI's position as a leader in the drone industry. With advanced features and competitive pricing, the DJI Mavic 4 and its new controller are likely to appeal to both professionals and serious enthusiasts. The combination of a high-performance drone and a state-of-the-art controller could redefine what users expect from professional drones, offering unparalleled features in a compact and powerful package. In addition to the hardware upgrades, DJI is also expected to introduce new software features that could enhance the flying experience. These might include smarter flight modes, improved tracking capabilities, and better integration with DJI's ecosystem of apps and accessories. For content creators, this means more tools to capture stunning aerial footage with ease, while professionals can enjoy a more intuitive and efficient workflow. As we wait for the official announcement, it's clear that DJI is continuing to push the boundaries of innovation in the drone industry. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a dedicated hobbyist, the DJI Mavic 4 and its new controller are shaping up to be a game-changer. Stay tuned for more updates as we get closer to the official launch, and be sure to keep an eye out for reviews and hands-on impressions once the products hit the market. The DJI Mavic 4 and its new RC controller represent the next step in professional drone technology, offering a blend of portability, performance, and advanced features. Whether you're upgrading from an older model or diving into the world of high-end drones for the first time, these products are worth keeping on your radar. DJI continues to set the bar high, and the Mavic 4 is poised to be another standout in their lineup. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends who love drones. For more updates on the latest tech and drone news, hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.